Today I'm going to be showing you guys around my 2019 Toyota Tundra. I've done a few videos on this truck already. It's going to be a night drive, a POV night drive. So I wanted to get a chance to showcase how the thing looks at night. I feel like you don't see a whole bunch of videos on cars. Also, one thing I finally realized, I was always wondering what that little black thing on the roof was. Turns out it's for the Sirius XM. It's a little antenna specifically for Sirius XM, and I did not know that. But look at these headlights, though. They're a little dirty. I'm gonna make another video talking more in depth about my wheel, tires, suspension setup. I'm running completely stock everything right now, but I was contemplating whether or not I wanted to get different wheels. But I feel like I'm just gonna stick with these wheels and just get bigger tires and lift it. Because I don't hate the way these wheels look. I definitely prefer like black wheels. If you guys ever watched my video on the first gen Tundra that I used to own, I had black steelies. And I like those because they kind of like go in more. They're more like a dish. I've actually got most of my windows almost all the way down. It's like 60 something degrees outside and it feels really nice. So I don't know if you guys can hear this, but on the passenger side, there's like this deep humming coming from my passenger side headlight. The driver headlight doesn't make that noise. I mean, it does, but you can't even hear it from the inside of the cabin. The right side does, so I might have to disconnect it, maybe clean some wires or something. Maybe the connectors are corroded. I'm not really sure what's going on, but that humming noise is very annoying. If I were to turn the headlights off right now, you might be able to tell a difference. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it is a little annoying. So in case you're wondering about what's going on with my gauge cluster, there's like two lights. There's like a caution light, and then there's another light that's flashing. I've already talked about that in my other videos, so check that out. Long story short though, I had to take the grill off to replace the headlights, which is, I think, it is a very tedious process in replacing the headlights in the second gen Tundra, specifically the 2.5 gen, because once upon a time the grill would open along with the hood. Man, that V8 sounds so good. Oh my goodness. But once upon a time, the Tundras used to be able to have the hood opened with the grill. But with the 2.5 gen Tundra, you have to take the grill off separately just to replace the headlights. And I have a newer Tundra. I have a 2019, and it has Toyota Safety Sense. So that means the radar cruise control is in the grill, and there's a connector you have to undo before you can take the grill off. And when you do that, there's a chance that it might haywire the entire sensor. And I just got a little unlucky. I've tried most things, if not everything, to do it myself to remedy the situation, but I have not found a solution yet. The last resort of mine is to take this to a dealership, and I do not want to do that because I'm not trying to be charged whatever amount of money for something that I can do at home. But fun fact, if this is something that you are possibly dealing with, and also if you really love cruise control, you can't use radar cruise control when this is happening to you because of the radar sensor. So if you don't care about all the safety crap, but you care about cruise control, what you want to do is come to a stop, go to your cruise control. There's like this button right here. Hold it down or press the button in until your cruise control circle changes from the one with the car to the one without the car, like so, just like that. And then what that does is you can now use cruise control without the radar function. Alright, I'm about to get on the highway This, man, I love driving this truck with the windows down. I don't have an aftermarket exhaust, but this thing sounds good regardless. I don't know if you guys can hear me because I got all the windows down. I'll roll the front two up though. And the back ones. Okay, so now I just have the rear window down. But yeah, you know, the one thing I will say, even though this truck is a serious gas guzzler, as a person that just enjoys driving, I don't let it get to me, guys. I really don't. I do not let it get to me. There are most times where I'm just like, I don't really know what to do right now, so I'm just gonna go for a drive. And that's what I'm doing right now. Out driving. I've done like 2 night drive or POV night drives, maybe 3 on my 2019 Avalon that I ended up selling. Check those videos out if you're curious. I want to make a separate video talking about my ownership experience of all the cars that I've owned in my life. This Tundra is actually my 5th car that I've owned. Or not car, well, 5th vehicle, I guess you can say. My first vehicle I got at 18 was a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4x4 with the inline 6. It's a great motor. Well, it was a great motor. You really have to take care of that thing, otherwise it will not take care of you. Second vehicle, 2004 again, Toyota Sequoia 4-wheel drive, limited with the spoiler. And then my third vehicle was my 2001 Toyota Tundra. Actually, no, I'm sorry. My third vehicle was my 2019 Toyota Avalon. Then my 4th vehicle was my 2001 Toyota Tundra. And then I ended up buying this, which is my 5th vehicle, which is my 2019 Toyota Tundra. So that V8. Man, that thing sounds good. In the comment section, let me know what year Tundra you guys own. I like to get conversations brewing in the comment section. I love seeing that stuff, you know, it makes me happy. People talking amongst themselves. Bro, what are you doing? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section what Tundra you own. Please subscribe. I am at 700 subscribers right now. And boy, oh boy, would I love to get to 1,000 before 2026. So do me a solid, subscribe. and I will be forever grateful. Forever grateful. Alrighty, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace out.